Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As already said, I'm back with new video on Subway Surfers in the new week on Monday. You can see below there are three options. First is quests, in the middle we can see me, and the third one is shop. I will discuss with you all these three options today. First, let's go with quest. In quest, you can see there are three missions, of which we have already completed two in the past week's video, and you have to complete 29 sets of missions, out of which to complete one mission set you have to complete three missions. You can see here there are three missions, of which first one is remaining. Okay, let's go to the quest section 2, achievements. There are certain missions here as well, and when you complete these missions you will get different kind of trophies and all. So here you can see that first is mission master, serve with a higher purpose, complete two missions in one run. And we have if you have seen the previous video, we have completed two missions in just one run. So we can see that here it is written that collect your award, and when we click here there is a bag and we have to tap it to open this. And see, we have got 3 keys. See here you can see that we have total of 5 keys now. The second mission, you can see the more the merrier. Everybody loves a big party. Own 2 characters. If you will own 2 characters, they will give us 3 more keys. And similarly, there are so many missions here. So you can just find them out by using this app. Now let's go to the me. So here there are different characters you can see. This is Boomboat. This is free. If you purchase anything in this app, you can get this Boomboat for free. Now how you can purchase, I will tell you later on in this video. Let's see other. If we log in with Facebook, we can get this dino for free. Now this is Broody. We can get this Broody for 3,50,000 coins, and this by means of this 350 lakh coins in the game, we have to earn 3,50,000 coins in this game, so we can purchase this Broody. Right now we only have 1,165 and we need 3,50,000 coins to purchase Broody. Similarly, we have different, you can see here King, Lucy, and then Miss Mia and Frank. You can see different kind of characters. Whichever you want to buy, you can purchase it. This is my. Now you can see hoverboards. I have already said about hoverboards, how you can use this hoverboards and all in the previous video. You can check that out. Okay, like right now you can see there are different kind of hoverboards. The same like characters, you can purchase them for the value here written. See, there are different kind of videos: Skullfire, Sunset, Starboard, Scott. Let's go for Starboard. See, here they have given us this Starboard for free, so you can see that you unlock the Starboard. So they have given us this for free. Now we have special power in Starboard. You can see here we have unlocked this also for free. So we have got 2 hoverboards for free, as you can already see. Okay, in characters as well we have a free gift, that is dark outfit of Jay. See, by just one click we have got this dark outfit as well for free. Okay, let's go on to the third, that is last one, shop. Here you can purchase that. This in the above section you can see store. Here that is $3.99. This one is you have to purchase for real. You have to give the real price $3.99. If you want all this thing, 95,000 coins, 25 keys, 30 or 50 hoverboards, so you have to give real price for this. Now here we have a daily gift. We can open this by clicking on this. So we got one scroll list. Okay, now next we have token box, that is also for free. We have got this token. So what is this token all about, I will tell you later in my story. You can purchase this mystery box for 500 coins. Let me just show you. We have 1165 coins. By purchasing this, we have now 665 coins only, and we have purchased one mystery box. Well done, guys. So it's just, let's go in the boosts. You can purchase hoverboard, score booster, head start from this section of boosts. Upgrades, you can upgrade your jetpack, super sneakers, coin magnet, multiplier. I have already shared an earlier video about coin magnet and multiplier. In next I will try to share about jetpack and super sneakers in my next upcoming video. Now let's go to free stuff. Okay, so you can get all this free stuffs by watching video. You just have to click. I am just now not watching any kind of video, not just to bore you, right? So we have seen this inbox. Now let's click on this icon so you can see what we have already seen in shop. So they have given us in a banner type that you can purchase this for a real cost. Welcome pack they have sent. They have given a name. We can get boom board for free, as I already told you, by clicking on this 3 key which you can see here. You can get you have to see a video. Right now I am not interested in seeing this. In this video you will get
Lords Mobile, play now.
While uploading this, so you don't have to see. So see, we got 3 keys, and you can see here that now we have a total of 11 keys. Okay, now let's see. Here we have top runs. You can see some has got diamond because of the best score, gold, silver, bronze, and we have just started, so we don't have the best score right now. So okay, if you connect with Facebook, you can also have your friends here. So I have not connected till Facebook yet. Okay, so this is all about the first page of this Subway Surfers. I hope you like this video. We'll just have a little bit of game, and I will try. Let's just try to beat our earlier score. See, this is a 2 times multiplier, which multiplies our speed, and we have a little speed. We have a little fast speed, as you can see. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is a magnet. As I told you, you can see this effect. See, I have already taken all these 3 videos. Okay, I forgot to take the jetpack. Maybe in next video I will show you how to use all these things, how you can upgrade all these features. Maybe in next video or some other time I will see, because I got this moto police officer came behind me. Okay, so here we have jetpack. So you can see, by having a jetpack we can fly in the air. Okay guys, so I have already shown you the use of jetpack as well. So if we can get sneakers as well in this round as only, I don't have to make a new video for all the power-ups, I suppose. So see, you have a daily challenge in which you have to collect different letters. The daily challenge for the day was flow. It is also known as word hunt. They tell this as a word hunt. So you can see that I have already completed the set 1 of mission. So this is the set 2 of mission, in which we have pick up 200 coins in one run, jump 20 times, pick up 2 Snickers, and okay, let's resume. Okay, I died. So see, you can use this free feature by watching this video. You can just have the time, or you can use the keys. So we have already go for the day. We have got a mystery box as well, in which we got 3 hoverboards. I already taught you the use of hoverboard in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch, like, share and subscribe, and be on my channel for the other various apps. Thank you.